Ever wondered what it takes to become a data scientist in one of the fastest growing industries in the world? And more importantly, where can you find the best training in Canada to kickstart your data science career? Stick around to find out. Why choose data science? Data science isn't just a buzzword. It's a critical skill set that companies across all sectors are desperately seeking. From healthcare to finance, data-driven decision-making is revolutionizing how business operates. With vast amounts of data being generated every second, the ability to analyze and interpret this information has become invaluable. The surge in demand has made data science one of the most sought-after careers in the world. In Canada, the tech industry is booming, and data science is at the forefront of this growth. Companies are eager to hire professionals who can turn raw data into actionable insights, helping them stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. But breaking into this field isn't easy. It requires a deep understanding of statistics, programming, machine learning, and much more. That's why choosing the right educational path is crucial. With so many options available, why should you consider Datally? The answer lies in their unique approach to teaching data science. Unlike many other programs that focus solely on theory, Datally offers a comprehensive, hands-on experience that prepares you for the real world. They don't just teach you how to analyze data, they teach you how to think like a data scientist, equipping you with the tools and mindset needed to succeed in this competitive field. What sets Datally apart? Datally is more than just a course provider. It's a launchpad for your data science career. The program is carefully crafted by a team of industry veterans who have been at the forefront of data science for years. These experts know exactly what skills are in demand and have tailored the curriculum to meet the expectations of top employers in Canada and beyond. One of the key differentiators of Datally is its project-based learning approach. Rather than simply teaching theory through lectures, Datally immerses students in real-world scenarios where they can apply what they've learned. This hands-on methodology ensures that by the time you complete the program, you're not just knowledgeable, you're experienced. Another aspect that sets Datally apart is its commitment to staying current with industry trends. The data science field evolves rapidly, and so does Datally's curriculum. The program is continuously updated to include the latest tools, technologies, and methodologies. Whether it's advancements in machine learning, the emergence of new programming languages, or shifts in data privacy regulations, Datally ensures that you're always ahead of the curve. Datally's recognition within the industry further elevates its value. The program is accredited by respected educational bodies, adding credibility to your certification. Moreover, Datally has strong relationships with leading companies in Canada, many of which actively recruit from their pool of graduates. This industry endorsement not only validates the quality of Datally's education, but also opens doors to numerous job opportunities. Lastly, Datally's commitment to student success is evident in the personalized support they offer. From one-on-one mentorship to career counseling, Datally ensures that every student has the guidance they need to navigate their career path. This support extends beyond graduation, as Datally provides access to a vast alumni network and continuous learning opportunities. By choosing Datally, you're not just enrolling in a course, you're joining a community dedicated to your success. The Datally curriculum is meticulously designed to provide a comprehensive education in data science, taking you from foundational concepts to advanced techniques. The journey begins with the basics, where you'll gain a strong understanding of statistics, which forms the backbone of data science. You'll learn how to collect, analyze, and interpret data, making sense of the vast amounts of information that organizations generate every day. Next, the curriculum dives into programming with a focus on Python, the go-to language for data scientists. Python's versatility and ease of use make it ideal for data analysis, and Datally ensures that you become proficient in writing clean, efficient code. You'll work on real-life coding exercises, applying your skills to solve data-related problems, which is essential for anyone aspiring to excel in this field. As you progress, the curriculum introduces data visualization techniques. You learn how to present your findings in a way that is both compelling and easy to understand, using tools like Tableau and Matplotlib. The skill is crucial because, in the real world, your ability to communicate insights effectively can be just as important as the analysis itself. The program then shifts to more advanced topics, such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. You'll explore various machine learning algorithms, understanding how they work and how to implement them using real-world datasets. Whether it's supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or deep learning, Dataly ensures you gain hands-on experience with these cutting-edge technologies. For those looking to specialize, Dataly offers elective modules in areas like big data analytics, natural language processing, and neural networks. These modules are designed to give you an edge in the job market by equipping you with expertise in emerging fields. Whether you're interested in building AI models, analyzing large-scale data, or working with text and language data, Dataly's curriculum has you covered. Throughout the course, Dataly emphasizes the importance of practical experience. You'll be working on projects that mimic the challenges faced by data scientists in the industry. By the end of the program, you'll have a robust portfolio showcasing your skills, ready to impress potential employers. The curriculum isn't just about learning, it's about mastering the tools and techniques that will define your career in data science. Real-world projects and internships. At Dataly, the emphasis on real-world experience is a cornerstone of their program. Theoretical knowledge is essential, but it's the ability to apply that knowledge in practical settings that truly sets a data scientist apart. Dataly integrates real-world projects throughout the course, ensuring that students are not just learning concepts in isolation, but are applying them to solve actual business problems. These projects are designed in collaboration with industry partners, giving you the opportunity to work with real datasets from leading Canadian companies. Whether it's optimizing supply chains, predicting customer behavior, or analyzing financial trends, these projects mirror the challenges you'll face in a professional environment. By the time you complete the program, you'll have tackled complex problems, developed solutions, and gained the confidence to handle similar tasks in your career. But Dataly doesn't stop at projects. Understanding the importance of industry exposure, they have forged strong partnerships with top companies across Canada. Through these connections, Dataly offers exclusive internship opportunities that are integrated into the program. These internships provide invaluable on-the-job training, allowing you to apply your skills in a real-world setting while gaining insights into the day-to-day operations of a data science team. Internships are more than just a learning experience. They are a gateway to employment. Many Dataly students find that their internships lead directly to job offers. The companies that partnered with Dataly are actively looking for talent, and by excelling in your internship, you position yourself as a prime candidate for future opportunities. Moreover, these internships give you a chance to expand your professional network, connecting with industry leaders and peers who can support your career growth. Dataly's focus on practical experience ensure that when you graduate, you're not just another candidate with a certificate. You're a data scientist with proven experience, ready to make an impact from day one. Success stories and alumni network. Dataly's alumni have achieved remarkable success, securing positions at top companies like Google, Shopify, and RBC. These graduates attribute their career achievements to the practical hands-on experience they gained during the program. Dataly's strong alumni network is a valuable resource for current students, offering mentorship, networking opportunities, and career support. This community of successful professionals provides guidance and connections that can help you advance your career long after you graduate. When you join Dataly, you're not just enrolling in a course, you're becoming part of a thriving professional network. If you want more of this, make sure to watch the next video shown on your screen. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching.